Textbooks are fine.
They smell good.
But they're expensive, 44 Canadian dollars. They go out of date. Lance Armstrong is a hero. Oh. And as much as I have tried, you can't put them through a computer screen. Is it coming through as an attachment? On the other hand, teaching without them can be an adventure.
Putting together your own curriculum through collecting and creating your own online resources is so much work. As Shakespeare said,
I do not have time for this. I do not have time for you. So you did the best possible thing. You asked us for help. It's 2023! And you deserve options. We didn't do it before because the entire ESL team was just me. But now,
you might have seen Telia around. This is Matthew, he writes content for us. And this is Anna, they are the reason why ESL Twinkle resources look so darn cute.
There are other people on the team, but they're a little bit camera shy. Sam, it would not kill you to be on camera just once. Anyway, the first 12 lessons of our ESL curriculum are now up on site and they've got games to support them too.
You might teach in person, online or hybrid. So this curriculum is suitable for in-person and online classes. Not everyone has Microsoft, so they are available both as PowerPoint and Google Slides, whatever that is. Where did my face go? Oh, that's better. Students need lots of revision, so each lesson comes with an extra worksheet to practice the vocabulary and structure. You need to test it out. So the first lesson is free to download. Stop cutting away from me, dear. I'm telling them what to do. Get the curriculum!
Critics and other ESL teaching companies are calling Twinkle's new ESL curriculum the greatest thing since the invention of the sliced printing press. If you already have a Twinkle Ultimate subscription, you can access all of these for no extra cost. However, although in spite of this, the ESL curriculum is still in the development phase. It's not perfect yet, but we're hoping to get it as close as it can be for you with your feedback. The new team means that we have the capacity to make the resources that you request, and we're going to keep building our curriculum.
Wait, what?
Yes, we're going to keep making resources.
Oh, no, we aren't.
Yes, we are.
I don't want to.
Well, then why did you apply for this job?
I thought ESL was Electronic Sports League.
Well, it's too late now. I've said we're going to do it.
Stop making ridiculous promises on camera. Just stop filming. Stop it.